Well, barely fit in
going
this.
out. We got it.
Bunk beds, you guys. That's
I
awesome.
called the top.
This is actually going to be Reese's bed. One of the girls. Yeah, Lincoln found the remote, of course. Did you get the remote, Lincoln?
Oh wow! Look at the pool.
Wow. Oh, that's a view. Ooh, look at that.
Oh, look at that.
That looks fun.
Wow!
Lincoln says, wow, good job, Lincoln. There's a little kiddie splash pad over there and a lazy river. That really is beautiful.
Oh, that's cool.
You're excited. We got to put our swimsuits on and go swim.
This is amazing.
There's like 4 different pools over here and a really big hot tub, so I think the kids are going to have fun.
This is like going to Mexico or something, huh?
I know, it looks like it.
Going to Cancun or Cozumel or something.
Wow!
Yeah. Okay, here's room number 2 for Lincoln and me and Steven. This is pretty. Minky got a snack here.
Look at all this room on both sides of the bed.
This room is single-handedly as big as our RV.
This room is, yeah, this is as big as
awesome.
our
Yeah.
Insane, man.
My room.
This,
I have
very much
dressers
gonna-
to put my clothes in for the next couple days.
Yeah, he's one of those guys. There we go. Yeah. So we're down a couple of floors, but still a great view.
Why?
Oh my gosh! So that's the kids' room up there. That's
So I
so
can
funny.
take hardcore down here and get in your room.
So definitely don't lean over. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, we need to hurry up and get in that pool, huh? Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at that view through the, we can wake up and see the water.
Yeah. See the ocean.
Oh my gosh, I know.
So
Do you
pretty.
see this, bro? Do you see this?
Lincoln.
Wow, he's like, yeah, let me down. Who is it?
Reese is here.
You're so happy she's here. Tiny. Oh my goodness, you're so big.
I was gonna hug you the entire time, and I am.
Those big boys. You guys get your swimsuits on?
Say Reese. Yeah.
What's up, beautiful people?
What's up, guys?
It is officially spring break, and we just made our way down to Florida. We're so excited. We have pretty much a whole week here. Actually, a couple of different places in Florida.
You coming
Lincoln
over here,
really wants
guys?
to say hi.
Okay.
He's like, I know that you officially opened this vlog, so.
Oh, yeah.
Are you excited, Lincoln? Yeah, you are so excited.
He saw the
Ride the
camera
horsey.
and just took a beeline to
I
us
know.
like, I'm getting on this camera as quick as I
Silly
can.
boy.
You're silly.
So the first few days we're actually at a really fun little resort hotel here on the beach. And it has like a lazy river and lots of kid amenities. And so I thought that would be really fun for them.
Yeah.
But we do have an Airbnb that we're gonna be staying at later this week. We have 2 kids' birthdays this week, guys. Both Liam and Kira.
It's crazy, dude.
How are you feeling about that, Liam?
So excited.
So excited.
The big 1-4, guys.
Big 1-4. And it's kind of cool that both of their birthdays are on spring break this year, so we have the time to take off and be able to do something fun. And so I'm really excited. But we just got checked into our hotel. We have 2 different rooms. The kids' rooms is actually upstairs a little bit more, but
they're like literally right above us. It's the same room. Just
and over one. Yeah. So they have a lot of different fun activities and things like that. Tonight is supposed to be like a fire show.
Polynesian fire dancers.
Yeah.
Tomorrow night they've got like a steel drum player guy and like a bonfire, which is gonna be really fun.
Yeah, so there's gonna be some fun stuff for the kids to do.
Cool.
I'm really hopeful. You guys know how Lincoln in the past has not really liked the beach, but it's spring break, so that means it's not super hot yet. We're still in March.
And if he doesn't like the beach, like there's a whole water park basically at the hotel.
Yes.
So that'll be fun, and less sand on the toes and in the shoes and in the hair and all that. So maybe we, we've in the past when we've stayed at resorts like this, a lot of times we just spend more time at the resort than on the actual beach. But if we want to, it's just like, maybe 100 steps to the actual water. Which
the
is
best of both worlds.
Yeah.
And so I think that Lincoln is really going to be able to enjoy the splash area.
Singing it immediately. Jude started singing.
Yeah, you know exactly. You know exactly how Daddy is. So the girls are upstairs getting their swimsuits on, and then we're gonna all head downstairs, probably catch that fire show, and then just enjoy the water a little bit on our first day of spring break.
Absolutely.
So excited. On the way here, we also found this really cute little shop that had like fresh peaches and fruit and
it was awesome.
kettle corn and
ice cream.
peach ice cream, which is, oh, it was so good.
We have a little contest to see who can get more popcorn in their mouth. Throw it in there.
Hopefully not on the floor. Hey, you guys both got it. Wow.
How many you got so far?
Like 3 or 4.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh! You guys!
What the heck?
What? That was like every single one of them.
Wow.
That's really impressive. I can't do that.
My turn.
Oh, Lincoln hit the back of his head. What did you do?
He goes like this.
Yeah, you did the same thing, you big boy.
He like throws it right in.
You want to do it again? Whoopsies. All right, the girls are ready to go. We're all ready to go. Oh, are you eating the jerky?
Penny got Carolina Reaper beef jerky. And it is crazy spicy.
Is that too spicy for you? That's really hard to find something that's too spicy for Penelope.
They're
really spicy.
But it's good.
You like really spicy.
I love spice. It's my favorite.
Did you try that one though?
I tried it.
Good?
It is spicy.
Yeah.
It's like right on my level.
Oh my god. I missed you so much.
You.
Oh yes. How fun.
You okay? You dying? Sanka, you did? Yeah, man.
Wow!
Whoa. What are you doing, buddy? Look here, are you excited? Having fun, guy?
Yep.
You coming over to me? Okay. Careful. Oh, well, you're in with the shirt. It's nice that there's so much shallow, like kiddie pool area.
Yeah, it's shallow and it's warm, so
Yeah.
he likes it. I think we found a winner this time.
I think it's probably good that we're over here right now because they're pulling people up onto the stage to teach them how to do the Hawaiian dances.
I love you. I love you. Wow. Yeah, Lincoln. He's so happy. I'm so happy that he's so happy.
I know.
This is just so, it just feels so special. Cheese!
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, these guys. Wow. Oh my gosh. Jude's over here showing off the art of manliness. How to carry. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's awesome, guys. You've had a long night, huh?
I said,
That really was a long drive.
I was so secure, I was like, I am vengeance.
I am vengeance. He always does that. Oh my god. Reese's mascara's over there like running like crazy and she comes up and says, I am vengeance.
Oh my gosh. Look at his bubble.
Wow, buddy. That's like your floaty bubble.
I'm going under.
I'm going under. That was a good flip. That was a pretty killer flip, bro. I love it, man. Yeah. She goes, woo! Yeah. Wow, dude. Amazing.
so we're back in the room and we just got changed into some pajamas and dried off, and we're waiting for some pizza for dinner. The other kids are upstairs in their room and Lincoln's down here. He's gonna be sleeping in our room. We always have him in our room. We brought his bed and so he'll be here with us, and the other kids are just getting ready for some dinner. And it was so fun down there. I was like so excited. I couldn't really tell because online it looked like really great. I was thinking, this seems like this would be really fun, like exactly what we're looking for. It looked like it had a lot of amenities for Lincoln that could be a win. Bless you, Linky. He's wanting to watch a show. Do you have the remote? Yeah. So I was really excited when we got here, and I was like, okay, I really do think that we found the right thing for us. And so when he was getting into the hot tub, it was like super shallow, and so that was like perfect for him because he doesn't like water to be like up high, like up to his shoulders. So normal hot tubs, you know, he likes them, but if it gets close to like his chin, then he starts to get upset. So this was great because it was warm water, but it was shallow, and so that was really great. Although actually it was pretty scary when we were getting out of the hot tub. Reese had been sitting with him in there, and then she turned to talk to me for a second. I was explaining about getting out for dinner, and the moment that she turned, he fell into the deeper part, and so I had to like jump in with all my clothes on and pull him right out. And
I walked up, I was like, what happened?
I know, I was just standing there with like, he was like soaking wet, and thankfully it was only a few seconds, so he was totally fine. But yeah, you really can't turn your back for even a second, so I'm glad. I was definitely looking, so I saw the moment he was going in, but that was kind of scary. Link, you were such a big boy, weren't you?
Linky's jumping on the bed.
Yeah.
You're a good bird.
Silly boys. I got my jammies on. I'm ready for some dinner. Who's there?
Who is it?
Hey! Yeah, you're so excited. Lincoln.
Oh, yeah!
We got food for you guys. Liam's become a vegetable guy.
Oh my gosh, this is my favorite.
Awesome.
Vegetables are my favorite.
Vegetable pizza. I'm like super proud that my kids like vegetables. You guys are awesome.
It's so good. You used to force me, and now I'm like, Mom, can we make vegetables for dinner, please?
Yeah, we have become veggie lovers, and I'm just so happy about that. Which one did you get? Pineapple? That's the best in my opinion.
Sorry, I'm
So am I. So am I. Go ahead and eat. There they are. You ready to eat? Hey, Penny. Daddy got a surprise in the freezer.
I did get a surprise.
You want to let us see what it is right now?
A paper bag.
Paper bag.
Well, it's in case you start to feel nauseous. You know, you can just like blow into it. Okay, maybe there's something else over there.
What's inside the paper bag?
Wow, what is this?
Look.
Is that
Cheesecake.
I got a few pieces
My
of
favorite cheesecake.
Yeah, he got enough for all of us.
I got 3
Isn't that awesome?
slices for us to split. So.
That's so funny. Penelope does not like cheese, but she loves cheesecake.
It is so weird.
Yeah,
but
well,
it's like so
cream
good.
cheese. Cream cheese is a whole different thing, which is amazing.
I was like, you were talking like, blow some basil. What? You
Yeah.
like, you wing it? Eat it. I said, why you doing that?
That's so funny. Feeling better? We were hungry after swimming, huh? Ethan, what kind did you get? You got the pepperoni? Oh, you got the pineapple. Yeah, that's right. You're a pineapple lover.
Cheers.
Penny's over there taking some selfies. She's like, I want to take some pizza and cheesecake selfies.
Hey, y'all.
She's proud of the cheesecake selfies. I love it.
Clifford outside.
It's good lighting right there.
Oh, you got a movie on.
Yeah, they're playing. They have like a movie night going on out there. We're gonna go ahead and close this thing out, guys, because it's it's vacation. It's our first night here, and we just want to enjoy it a little bit. We haven't seen Reese in like weeks. and just have a little fun. Everyone's enjoying the cheesecake, enjoying the pizza, the whole deal. So
yeah,
we love you guys. We'll see you next time.
We will be vlogging. Y'all guys come back because we do have some special things happening this week with some birthdays and just fun beach stuff. Yes. I'm so excited. This is just going to be a really special week for our family. So
it's going to be awesome.
Super excited.
Love you guys.
Love you guys.
Next time. Bye.
Bye, beautiful people. We'll see you next time on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little bell. And leave a comment.
For your name's sake, you will lead